Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can check your Shopify store revenue on the dashboard. So let's get right into it. As you can see, currently I am logged into my account and I'm on my dashboard right now. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to go over and head into the analytics tab. Now, once you go here, as you can see, this is the main analytics page and you have a couple of different elements which you can check. As you can see, you can check your total sales. As you can see, I have 0 since I'm not selling anything and this is just a tutorial site. I also have the average order value, so you can see how much people order and what the value of that is. You have your total orders and you have your online store conversion rate, and these are all useful for, of course, checking your revenue, but the most important one is the total sales, where you'll see even the revenue in your regional currency. And even more, what you can do, you can click on auto refresh and keep that updated so that you don't have to refresh every couple of minutes or just re-enter the page just to refresh the designs. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.